I went from being overwhelmed, overworked, overstressed to becoming the owner of my own online business, learning the skill on how to make daily pay and passive income, having time with my children. Because all the years I lost a lot of times. I went from being in debt, from finish paying my debt to finish paying my debt. So if you want to have more time for your children, earn what you deserve, finish pay the debt, stop borrowing, and stop being a burden to others. And you want to just maybe retire gracefully. You can absolutely do so by running your own online business from the comfort of your home that teaches you the skill on how to be successful in your business and how to earn daily pay and passive income. And you don't even need to be tech savvy to do that. All your training is being provided to you. You don't need to be of a certain age. You don't need to be in a certain place in the world. This is a global business. So you can earn 100% profit each and every time and be around your family. So if you want to live a lifestyle where you achieve your goals and your dreams, have enough to give your loved ones what their heart desire, and just live freely, just live a little and not just survive, you can go to the link in my bio and I'll send you all necessary information.